I'm Garrett Plate with A.O. Reed, Project Manager. This is the Cal State University Fullerton Student Housing Project. I've been with the company for 11 years, and from here we will take you over to Building A to look at the Npr Room. We have our heating hot water and our chilled water piping overhead, along with our ductwork and our linear diffusers, and we have all our overhead plumbing in this space as well. Multi-purpose room, it'll be used for a conference space, gatherings for the students, and any other just various functions they have. And then from here we can go over to the mechanical room of Building A. Mechanical room of Building A. We have our chilled water and heating hot water pumps, bringing water from the main campus loop into our building and distributing out to the rest of the buildings. We have our domestic heat exchangers behind me here, exchanging between the heating hot water and heating the domestic water for all three buildings. And then we have one of our main air handlers back here in the corner to feed all of level 1. And then we have our domestic water booster pump behind us over here for the plumbing as well. So all the copper we see in this room, all the overhead steel piping, as well as the ductwork is all fabricated in our shop and brought up on site. Central plant, and we are connecting our underground piping here to the central campus loop to feed our building. Before, this entire lot was just all parking, a complete parking lot, so this is a brand new ground up building for Cal State Fullerton. The building, there's 3 separate buildings, Building A, B, and C. They're all 6-story buildings, and they are designed to house sophomore and junior students. There's 75 different dorm suites, and each suite will house 8 students, so we're looking at a total of 600 plus students being able to be housed in these new dorms. On the roof of Building B, behind me is one of the makeup air handler units that feeds the outside air to the whole tower from level 6 down to 2. And we can see our heating hot water, chilled water piping being finalized, as well as all our roof duct as well. Building C, behind me is one of the exhaust fans that pulls the air from all the dorm room suites from level 6 down to level 2. And then over here we also have a split system for our pipe fitters serving the electrical room down on the first floor. So this is our typical dorm room suite. Each suite is fed by a vertical fan coil unit, and then each room houses 2 students. So across the 5 floors, there are 75 dorm room suites, which will house over 600 students. And each one consists of 2 rooms for toilets installed by our plumbers, as well as 2 rooms for showers, and then 4 labs for all the students in this suite. And then down at the end is the kitchenette with all the plumbing installed by A.O. Reed as well. There's 3 separate buildings, Building A, B, and C. They're all 6-story buildings, and they are designed to house sophomore and junior students. There's 75 different dorm suites, and each suite will house 8 students. So we're looking at a total of 600 plus students being able to be housed in these new dorms. Right now we're finishing all our final connections, and we are looking to start flushing and start up here in the next couple weeks for all the equipment. And for the plumbers, we are working our way still up the building setting all our final finish as well. Joe Reed has done all 3 trades on this one. We've done the plumbing from underground all the way up. We've done all the sheet metal and all the mechanical piping as well. This project has been great. Sun put together a great team, and it's just been a joy working with our foreman, with Will Snowden, with Randy Solomon and Tom Leonardo, and just the great team that they have been on this project, and looking forward to working with them in the future as well.